Hey guys, this is Ivan, just trying to see if I can show you the little bird over here. I don't know if you can see it right here. I'm going to go slow. There's a nest of little birdie. Look at the babies. So cute. And you can see the mom is right there. Don't know if it's gonna show, but look at the view. Super cute. You can see the mom right there. Now that goes to show that they feel real safe here in my tree. I believe those are baby nightingales.